Motivated. Dr. Forrest Tennant, the brain research chemist, said positive motivation is as important to good health as 3 meals a day, aerobic exercise, or a good night's sleep. Positive motivation is as important to good health as 3 meals a day, aerobic exercise, or a good night's sleep. So that's how important positive motivation is. I had a young man that played football for me, and he came to see us one day, Mary and I, in the town we were coaching in, and he was miserable. And he said, "Coach, I am just absolutely miserable." And I said, "What's the matter?" And he said, I made straight A's in high school." I said, "Oh yeah, I remember that." And he said, "All the counselors told me I needed to go to college. And so I'm in college and I'm making straight A's. And I am absolutely miserable." And I said, "How come?" He said, "Coach, I want to be a welder. I really want to be a welder. I don't want to go to college. I hate it." And I said, "Well, why don't you quit and go to welding school?" "Well, I'm afraid I'll disappoint everybody." I said, "Son, that's why there's happy janitors and miserable bank presidents. Those miserable bank presidents are doing what somebody else thought they ought to do, and those happy janitors are doing what they want to do. If you decide you want to do what you want to do, go to welding school." At the end of the story, he went to welding school. He's married now, has a child, and making lots of money welding, and he loves every minute of it. Sometimes positive motivation is finding your niche and then doing it. Be the best you can be, and you do that by making this a great day.